Welcome to Mbombela Fanatics, and I'm your host Limpo Mukhale. Mbombela Stadium is where I'm at. Now we're heading to PLK to witness the Nedbank Cup final between TS Galaxy and Durban City, and spend the day with me. Day in the life of a sports presenter. Let's go meet TS Galaxy friends. Good morning.
Hi, how are you?
How are you?
I'm good, thanks. How are you?
I'm good myself. Today you feeling how are you feeling in terms of we are playing against Durban City in PLK Nedbank Cup final?
I'm actually very excited. Ngiyabathemba abafana bethu.
Yeah.
Guys, ngiyabathemba abafana bethu. This cup is ours. We've been waiting for this moment. Okay, so it goes two.
There was two. We did it 2019 and today 2020.
It's ours. We are taking it.
Okay.
We're taking it.
So prediction to be quick.
2-1.
2-1.
Yeah.
Extra time say Ayagumbasi.
I see.
Straight came in.
It's straight again.
Okay, Makalakala. Go with me. Asabenya. No walk. TS Galaxy first. Makalakala. Nitsin matota kulmana. Makasela pe PLK matota nisinyola zalendo ye.
Lanza kwethu
Yeah.
imfanelo atiye ekhaya
Sure.
silanza kona
2019 matota ngilanga kuthatha khona sikhathi nisadlala ku first championship second tier South African football namuhla matota ni ku first tier South African football nithini matota nithi lento hayi
sibena
nice
like lena ukuthi yabona ukuthi ulobola mfati
Yeah.
khiphe nhlawulo
yeah
akwamkhethi
Yeah.
ngiyamuhla soyicathelela
Okay, man, before some, score prediction, President. 2-0.
Yeah, it decided on the first half.
First half.
Yeah.
Anytime my goal scorers in Boban, my goal scorers.
Masambi.
Ay, man.
Nangwenya.
Oy,
Masambi Nangwenya.
Okay.
1-1.
Bafo, score prediction. Kola Boban. Kulmanam.
1-0.
1-0.
Clean sheet.
Clean sheet. Chapa ire na mutlo angeka concede.
Sindoka is going to score. Noma Kanja.
Okay, nayo. Bafo. Kulmanam.
3-1
3-1. Kola Boban. Biela nduna.
3-1 yakutshela 3-1
Kola Boban.
utobona 3-1
Okay, actually.
3-1
Utulari kulmanam nduna yamkalakala. Kola Boban. Score prediction.
Victor Lutwala.
Victor Lutwala.
Yeah.
Okay, nduna.
Akanjani vele kumele score vele.
Yeah. Bafo.
Victor
Victor.
Yeah.
Anytime goal scorer Victor Lutwala.
Yeah.
Usho njani?
Chojani
Yeah. Minister.
straight
Straight.
2-0
2-0.
Mashambi nasindonga 2-0
Usho good. Ay,
sibiyanayo
Okay.
Yes.
Makalakala.
It's Robele, it's Durban City.
Sure.
Last time it's Robele 6 points. I think we between Shaigai 2.
Yeah.
It's Robele 6 points in Island of 7 million.
Ay, man. That's a kid.
6.7 million.
Yeah. Simple. Fanatics. Asambeni nami sikubeke siye phambili. I'm not sure if I another fanatics lana eTS Galaxy. Nduna yami tikambali. Sekuseni sala imbombela nduna yami. Wearing to PLK. Uthi labantu namhlanje bashanga akhe nduna yami. 1-0. Skora bani?
Umbani umfana lo lomncane lo.
Masambi usho yena.
Akshaya Masambi.
Usho kuthi first half and second half nduna yami. First half. Ole ayikhulumile Rodman yami mntwana. Makalakala. Nayi le la. Abafelo nayo. Niyo le nduna. Stop it. Kama njani nduna.
Score sat kona 2-1.
2-1.
Koma ngathi.
Kona bobani nduna yami.
Hayi abantu bathi abantu bashaka sana.
Sure. TS Galaxy Mbombela Branch ngiyo lena madoda bayithatha labantu bahamba PLK madoda. Durban City Nedbank Cup 2026 final. Amadoda ngiyo lena TS Galaxy phumele ndingasonke madoda. Layo ke inyanga. Basilinde njani makwami? Ngiyaphila namanje. Siyale PLK namhla mama TS Galaxy versus Durban City. Score sisuna kangaki?
Score 2-0
Yeah.
or 2-1.
Sure.
Goal, I'm expecting goals from Lutwalo and Mahlangu.
Sure.
Na kanjani namuhla sibuya nayo.
Sibonga kakhulu makwami. Yes lady, nisini kama njani phela?
Yes.
Ni right.
Right.
Ngicela uniphe score prediction sakho segame yanamuhla.
2-0.
2-0. Mama wakhe kora bobani?
Swalo na Mahlangu.
Straight lento. Siqhubeke solo kusangimlo Limpo Mukhale siqhubeka nayo la. Nawu ngama-TS Galaxy Fanatics machita. Sikhamba njani? Siyaphona la imbombela. Hayi madoda. Machita ke la madoda. Ngisho with them la imbombela stadium. Ngiyaloku kusuka nabo la siye PLK sobukele Nedbank Cup final. Before sifika lena siyobanika le mpahla madoda. score prediction look ngani yami.
2-0.
2-0.
TS Galaxy.
Kora bani?
Bafana ayiwin.
Kora bani?
Ngiyalibona la Kakora goal.
Hayi.
Ngiyalibona first goal nje kuthama Kakora.
Sure,
Second
sure,
goal
sure.
ngiyacabanga Zindonga uthoyithatha ibeke neteam.
Usho ukuthi?
2-0 sibuya nayo.
2-0.
Africa next season.
Yeah man. Hey, nduna yami asithenga la ngekuthi kambana uthi yami.
Mnandi bafana.
Score prediction yakho
Ngithunile ngimile la kulo thunile.
Thunile. Kora bobani?
Zidonga ngiyamnika namaduni.
Matuni.
Ya maduni atolithola.
Usho ukuthi?
Ngamnika naye maduni.
Ngibonga kakhulu.
Thunile madoda sayilanza.
Hey, ngiyole nama fanatics.